Good morning students. So today we are going to start our new lesson number 6, that is structural organization in living organism. Okay. So in this chapter, that is structural organization in living organism, there are two parts, that is for animals and plants. In this video we are going to see about structural organization in plants only, and in the next part we are going to see about animals. So children, in this whole world everything is made up of cell. Okay, the cell is the smallest unit of any body. Cell combines to form tissue combines to form organ combine to form organ system, and in the last whole system combines to form an organism. Okay, each organ, though being a part of a particular organ system, perform its own separate function. Like for example, our body has different types of system: respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system. All are having different types of organs and all performs different type of function. Okay, so in this world every organization has two levels, that is higher and lower. Cell is the smallest unit of the body of an organism, and this group of cells are structurally similar and together carry out the same function and is called tissue. I told you earlier, cells form tissue form organ form organ system, and organ system forms or constitute the whole body of organism. As I told you, in this chapter we are going to learn about plants structural organization. So picture what you are seeing is the parts of the plant. Already you are familiar of this, that is it has flower, leaf, fruit, stem and root. Okay, so today we are going to see about the different types of tissue which are found in plant. The first one is meristematic tissue. These tissues are found at the tip of roots and stem. You can see in this picture, the cells of these divide quickly and this results in an increase in the length of root and stem. Students, this is the important point to notice over here, that these tissues are found at the tip of root and stem, and because of this cell it divide quickly and the result is an increase in the length of root and stems. Okay, the next one is epithelial tissue. This is very important and interesting. What you're seeing in this picture is then epithelial tissue, and in the form of the outermost layer. This tissue forms the outermost layer, and this tissue forms the outer covering of every part, like for example root, stem, leaf, flower, fruits and seed. Apart from providing protection, this tissue also exchange carbon, oxygen and water vapor for respiration, photosynthesis, etc. The epithelial tissue of the plant roots helps in drawing water from the soil. Okay. In the upcoming picture, you are seeing the transverse section of the stem of the plant. In that you can see the epithelial tissue very nicely. Okay, in the above it is clear. Okay, the next type of tissue we are going to see about vascular tissue. See, vascular tissue transports water and food to different parts of plant. Okay, the foremost function is it transport water and food to different parts of the plant, and there are two types of vascular tissue in the plants. The one which carries water and mineral from the roots to different parts of the plant and it's called xylem. The other type of vascular tissue distributes the food manufactured in the leaves to different types of parts of plant. This is called phloem. Generally we call them vascular bundles together. Once again, vascular tissue. There are two types of vascular tissue in plants. The one which carries water and mineral salts from root to leaves. Okay, this vascular tissue is known as xylem. The another types of vascular tissue distributes the food manufactured in leaves to different parts of the plant. This tissue is called phloem. Generally, xylem and phloem are found in groups, so they are called vascular bundles. Okay, children, now it is clear. The next and the last type of tissue is ground tissue. Okay, ground tissue has been shown just inside the outermost layer of the dermal tissue. Okay, see in this picture also you can see its function is to provide the support to the plant. In leaves it is manufacture food through photosynthesis. Okay, and also stores food in the root of many plants. Pith is also a ground tissue. Okay, you can see pith in this. Pith is also a type of ground tissue. Its main function is to provide support to the plants. Okay, children. So again, once again, let me revise all the four types of tissue. In this picture you can see all the four types of tissue. The first one is meristematic tissue. Okay, these tissues are found at the tip of roots and stem. Okay, and the next one is epithelial tissue. You can see in this picture, this tissue forms the outer covering of every part of the plant. And the next one is vascular bundles. There are two types of vascular bundles, xylem and phloem. The work of xylem is to transport water and mineral salts from root to leaves, and whatever prepared food is there, the work of phloem is to distribute to the different parts of the plant. The last one is ground tissue. Its function is to provide to support to the plants. Okay, and in leaves it manufacture food through photosynthesis. Okay, so these are the four types of tissue which are found in plants. So half part of this chapter has been finished in this explanation. Tuesday you are going to see structural organization in animals. Till the time, thank you.